And the BT-13 takeoff roll. At the controls. In these aircraft, when the fuel gets warm, they do vent fuel out the vents. We don't want to have any mishaps, no smoking near the aircraft, and no climbing in the aircraft. And a beautiful BT-13, Vultee riders.
I have a question, and I'm sure others have.
How will this pass? It's called a Mystic Man formation. Quite fast that way.
That's, I think, what you would call a blind faith takeoff, too. I don't know if he could see where... Come to the announcer's stand. There were, of course, also gunship versions of this aircraft made, heavily armed. The aircraft used in Vietnam for gunship duty included 20-millimeter guns and 40-millimeter guns and a 105 howitzer mounted on the one side, as well as the 7.62-millimeter miniguns that could fire 4,200 rounds in 1 minute. They were deadly in that role. Notice he has the gear down and is trailing to the left.